Welcome to Eden Discovery Park. Located in Boyd Town, just 8 kilometers or a 9-minute drive south of Eden, located on the Pacific Highway, A1. Nestled along the stunning Sapphire Coast, Eden Discovery Park is packed with fantastic facilities for the whole family. Whether you're here to relax or seeking adventure, there's something for everyone. Cool off in the swimming pool or spa, or head straight to the beach with direct access. For added convenience, the park offers hire equipment, a bike station, and a seasonal campfire to complete your stay. Kids will love the playground, bouncing pillow water park, and zero-depth water play area. Plus a bike pump track and sports facilities for extra fun. There's even an activity room and Wi-Fi lounge for indoor entertainment. Plus, with a defibrillator and dump point on site, safety and practicality are covered. Enjoy the BBQ areas, camp kitchen, and kiosk store for easy meals, while the laundry, family bathroom, and accessible amenities ensure convenience. Each site is nice and roomy, so you don't feel crammed in. Plus, keep an eye out for a family of deers that graze close by. Whether you're a family, couple, or solo traveler, Eden Discovery Park delivers a top-notch holiday experience. So whether you're here for a short stay or an extended break, the beachfront access, well-kept facilities, and friendly atmosphere make it a great choice. Would we stay here again? Definitely. If you've been here before, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews across Australia. Until next time, happy travels.